On this exercise, we are working on the first phase of the Queda de Rins. So what we're going to be doing is leaning against the wall so we can understand how to lean, where does the weight goes when we're doing the Queda de Rins before you're trying to progress into do it against the floor. So take a look and let's look onto the steps. So first, I'm going to stand close enough to the wall so I can reach. I need to understand that my elbow has to be in line with my wrist. So my fingers, when I place my hand, is going to be pointing behind me, and I'm going to have a hand in front of me or over my head to start with. It's very important that I don't change the angle of my wrist and my elbow, because otherwise it's going to hurt you, or you're going to make it very uncomfortable for you when you actually have your full weight on top of the elbow. So bear in mind that's only the palm of my hand touching the wall. Yeah, so and it will be exactly the same when we're doing against the floor. It's very confused sometimes at the beginning. People put the whole forearm onto the floor. And to progress, we're going to step away from the wall a little bit and get the base hand a little bit lower. So now I'm going to end up putting more weight into my arm. And notice that the position of my wrist doesn't change. So I just push off my arm. So it's almost like doing a press up sideways. And to progress even more, you just go a little bit lower. It's going to get to a point that's going to be too difficult to go any lower against the wall. But as you can see now, my head is touching the wall. So that will be the same when you are doing against the floor. So make sure you are comfortable with all those steps. You can lean your weight against the wall and only the palm of your hand and the head are touching on the wall on this drill. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.